At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Are your patients struggling with relationship issues? The Relationship Pros and Cons Worksheet is a valuable tool for therapy designed to help patients evaluate their relationships by identifying positive and negative aspects. This resource aids in making informed decisions about continuing or ending a relationship, improving overall satisfaction and well-being. The worksheet goes beyond listing pros and cons by including reflection exercises to help patients understand their feelings and needs, enhancing their ability to communicate effectively and build healthier relationships. Incorporate this worksheet into your therapy sessions to help patients navigate relationship complexities and make informed decisions. The Relationship Pros and Cons Worksheet is valuable for healthcare professionals as it helps clients make informed decisions about their relationships. This worksheet provides a structured way to evaluate a relationship's positive and negative aspects, assisting clients in clarifying whether to stay or end a relationship. Here are the steps to use our Relationship Pros and Cons Worksheet. Introduction. Introduce the worksheet to the client by explaining that it is a tool designed to help them weigh the pros and cons of their relationship. Encourage them to use the worksheet to explore their thoughts and feelings about their relationship. Identify the current relationship. Have the client write down the name of the relationship they are considering on the worksheet. This could be a romantic partner, best friend, family member, or work colleague. List the pros. Have the client list all the positive aspects of the relationship under the pros column. Encourage them to think about what they appreciate about the other person, what makes a relationship valuable, and what brings them joy. List the cons. Have the client list all the negative aspects of the relationship under the cons column. Encourage them to spend time together to think about what they find challenging about the other person, what causes stress or conflict in the relationship, and what they would like to change. Rate the importance. Have the client rate the importance of each pro and con on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the most important. This will help them see which aspects of the relationship are most significant and less critical to them. Evaluate the relationship. Have the client look at the overall balance of pros and cons and consider what it means for the relationship. Ask them to reflect on how the worksheet has helped them gain insight into their relationship and whether it has helped clarify their thoughts and feelings. Take action and make informed decisions. Encourage the client to use the information they have gained from the worksheet to make decisions about their relationship. They can use the worksheet to start a conversation with the other person, seek out professional counseling, or take steps to improve the relationship. Revisit the worksheet. Encourage the client to revisit the worksheet periodically to see if their thoughts and feelings about the relationship have changed. This will help them stay mindful and reflective about their relationship and make any necessary adjustments. Here is a sample of your relationship pros and cons to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website, linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface. Signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.